Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the verbs have, has and had. In English, these verbs are known as primary auxiliaries, basic but important verbs. Today our focus is on how they are used in sentences as main verbs. Let's take a look at the grammar points. We have and has to talk about the present time. We have two verbs for that purpose and one is used with the plural subjects whereas the other one is used with the singular subjects. And we have had, the verb had, used in the simple past tense to talk about the past time, about yesterday. So now you know that have is used with the plural subjects and has with singular subjects. Had with both singular and plural subjects. With he, she, it and Kelly, the singular subjects, we use has. With I, we have a special treatment. Even though it is a singular subject, we use have. With all the plural subjects, with these plural subjects, we use have. With these singular subjects, we use has. Let's build sentences. He has a car. She has a car. It has a tail. Kelly has a car. I have a car. We have cars. You have a car. They have cars. Nellie and Kelly have cars. Right? Again, he has an idea. She has an idea. Kelly has an idea. I have an idea. We have freedom. You have freedom. They have freedom. Nellie and Kelly have freedom. As you can see, we can use the verbs has and have to talk about things in our possession. Things like cars, toys, pens, things like that. And also we can talk about the availability of certain concepts. I have freedom. And also when we use has and have in sentences as main verbs, we always refer to the present time. It is about the things we have in our possession right now. It is about the availability of things with us in the present time. Let's see how had is used in the past time. He, she, it, Mary, I, we, you, they, the writers. With all these subjects we use had to talk about the things we had in our possession in the past time. He had a car yesterday, last year. She had a car last year, not anymore. It had wheels. Mary had a car. I had a car. There is no special treatment this time. We had cars. You had cars. They had cars. The writers had cars. You can also build sentences like this. We had freedom. You had freedom. They had freedom. The writers had freedom. Let's take a look at a few example sentences and talk about the idea further. My uncle a car. Let's fill in the blanks with me. Now in this case I want you to use has or have to fill in the blanks. We are talking about the present time in all these four examples. Let's try. My uncle blank a car. Yes. What is your answer? Yes, my uncle is singular, therefore we use has. My uncle has a car. With I, we know in the present time, present tense, we have a special treatment. What is it? Even though it is a singular subject, we use have. I have a nice picture with me. See, I have a nice picture with me right now. She has a storybook. It is in the present time and she is a singular subject. A giraffe blank a long neck. Now here you can see we are talking about a fact. A giraffe, and that is also, the subject is also a singular subject. A giraffe has a long neck. Right. Few more examples, and this time I want you to use the past tense verb form. Anne blank many friends last year. You can see that there are a few clue words as well. Last year, it is a clue word. It gives you the idea that we are talking about the past time. So what is the verb that is suitable here? Anne had. And you don't have to worry about the subject anymore. Why? For both singular and plural subjects, we use the same verb had. Let's read the sentence. Anne had many friends last year. Kate blank a toy car when she was a little girl. There is another clue word. When she was a little girl. Right? It is in the past time. When she was a little girl. But now she is a grown up. So the things have changed. Kate had a toy car. In the past time, Kate had a toy car when she was a little girl. Right. This seller blank nice bags for sale last week. Again you have a clue word. Last week, but not this week. Last week. This seller had nice bags. This seller is a singular subject. This seller had nice bags for sale last week. Let's say these sellers, the plural form. These sellers had nice bags for sale last week. Still we are using the verb had. Okay, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe and press the like button.